Hello, today we will guide you through how to stop emails going into junk in Outlook. If important messages keep ending up in your junk folder, Outlook gives you a simple way to help prevent that. In this walkthrough, we'll open Outlook, head into the settings area, and add a sender to your safe senders list so future emails from that address are more likely to arrive in your inbox instead of being filtered as junk. Start by opening Outlook. Make sure you're signed in to the account where you want to change the junk mail settings. Once Outlook is open and you can see your mailbox, look to the top right area of the screen and click on Settings. This is where Outlook stores most of the options that control how your email behaves. When the Settings panel opens, click on Mail. This section contains the preferences related specifically to your messages, including inbox rules, layout, and filtering options. After selecting Mail, look for Junk Mail and click on it. This area is important because it lets you manage what Outlook should treat as unwanted email and what it should allow through. Inside the junk mail settings, click on Add Safe Sender. A safe sender is an email address that you trust. Adding an address here tells Outlook that messages from that sender are legitimate and should not normally be sent to the junk folder. This is especially useful for business contacts, newsletters you actually want, or automated messages you need to receive regularly. Next, enter the sample email into the field provided. Be careful to type the address exactly as intended, since even a small typo could mean the wrong sender is added or the setting won't work as expected. If you're copying the address from another source, it can help reduce mistakes. Once the email address has been entered, click OK to confirm. That saves the sender to your safe senders list. After that, Outlook should begin recognizing messages from that address as safe going forward. If emails from that sender were already landing in junk before this change, it may also help to keep an eye on your junk folder for a little while, just in case older filtering behavior takes time to update. But the key step is making sure the sender is now listed as safe in Outlook. And that's it. You've successfully updated Outlook to help stop emails from that sender from going into junk.